Hello, we have a beautiful cardinal. Isn't he pretty? Hey there, pretty guy. Look at him. And we have doves on the ground, I think. Well, we have one dove on the ground. That's a pretty girl. Or boy. This is definitely a boy. Isn't he pretty? Whoop. Oh, he got chased off by another one. Come on, kiddos. Look at that. He's just eating and swinging away. And that other one is thinking he's not going to let me eat. Well, he's going to try to sneak up on him. Look, here he comes. He's getting closer. Oh, there's a chickadee. He just decided to fly in. Look, there he is. Look at that little chickadee. What are you doing, my little chickadee? And here's a female cardinal. Oh, she left. Hold on, wait a minute. She left. Let me get back over here to the one cardinal I can see. Two cardinals still. They're still here. Oh, and a third one showed up and chased one of, oh, there's 1, 2, 3. What was that? I recognize that call. I can't remember what kind of bird that is. Do you know what that bird was that we just heard? That dove's still there. I'm just sitting out here watching my birds. I fed them a little bit early because I think it's going to storm. And there's a female. Oh, wait a minute, I can't find her. Where are you? Oh, she's in the rocket. And there's a male watching her. The males decide when the females can eat. So I guess it's okay for them to eat. Because you see, if food gets scarce, the males make sure they eat and they don't let the females eat because the females lay eggs, right? It's a way of controlling the population if there's not enough food to go around. The males are the boss. Well, I hope you enjoyed this little rendezvous with my cardinals. This is what I experience at night when I feed the birds and I sit out here and watch them. I love you. I'll share more with you when I get a chance. I'm trying to do as much as I can now before I start my chemo. I love you. Keep the commandments and be the bride. And make sure you bring someone with you to the wedding feast of the Lamb. Shalom.